sanding it down, at least a clear coat, and might take a while, you know, it's a little small. Called sander, my bad. Went blank right there. As you can tell, you see how it's leaving it. Right now I'm hitting it with the 180 grit, and then after this one I'll hit it with the 320. I'll show you guys. Well, you know, I just wanted to see how it would kind of look. I'm gonna show you guys the front. Hold on. Show you guys the front real quick. Let's see. I don't know if you guys could tell. This panel right here, I'm not going to touch it. But this panel right here, I did it with the spray can. It don't look too bad, you know. I didn't get that much of a fisheye on the paint, so that's good with me. And that's not a, I didn't miss that part right there. It's just a piece of ash from a cigarette. Oh, kind of tell the fisheye right there. But it's not bad, you know. I'll eventually get it painted professionally, but for now, it's kind of bugging me, the dual paint. It's more gonna look like a flat gloss black, you know. You know what? I didn't show you guys the throttle body spacer. 1 second. I got a mess in my car too, so just give me 1 second. There's a throttle body spacer. It's for a 75 millimeter throttle body, my bad. She's dirty. Need to clean her up. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'll post it up on the videos and everything. And these rims are probably we'll leave them on for a few more months, and I'm gonna start looking for something else, because I do want that. I got the fender flares. Hold on. I got the fender flares too, and I still need to put that on. As you can see right here, I cut it. I just need to grind this down, and the fender flare is gonna go from, where was it? I think from this point right here. So it'll be all this, and I should be able to at least a 295 or a 305 tire, hopefully. But the thing is, I don't want 20s no more. I kind of want I wouldn't mind 22s in the rear or 21s. The thing with 21s is tires would be way more expensive. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys like the video. Please like, share, subscribe. We have more content in the way. It's 2019, like I was telling you guys. 2019, I'm gonna do this car up. Peace out.